Hey, I feel like I need to reintroduce myself. I've been on this platform since 2013, but a lot has changed since I first started sharing videos on here. There are a million how-to cooking videos here on YouTube, and I've got a bunch of them, but I feel like it's time for a change.
In and out for lunch today.
Oh, that's right. Hey, I wasn't recording.
There's a table.
I wasn't recording. Can we do that again?
Is it too much? Come on, come on, come on.
Oh, no, don't do it, Kelly. Okay, Dustin, stop.
So a lot more of that. More of the real life stuff. I'm a mom, I've got 4 kids. I know I need to get dinner on the table all the time, but I want to show up as me. So when I was thinking about why am I coming back on YouTube, and it's really just to let you guys in, to take away all the facade and to make it real. So if you want real recipes, real stories, and real life, hit subscribe below. Welcome to the chaos.
Have you ever been the first person in line at In-N-Out? You know they open at 10:30. A burger for breakfast.
I'd be the guy that they'd come out and say, please come back later.
Yeah, ma'am, we're not open yet. Oh, yes, you are.